Let's turn your screen time into skill time. This is a bonus video further to our initial video on fluid intelligence. If you have not watched our initial video, you can find the link in the description and the comment box. In this bonus video, you can listen to a podcast on fluid intelligence for deeper insights. After watching this video, you can ask queries, share suggestions, get specific and personalized inputs, and benefit from it. Consider this channel as your skill buddy. Now, come let's watch the podcast.
Yeah, let's dive right in.
You know, it's interesting because we talk about intelligence like it's this one big thing.
Right.
But they're actually different kinds.
Yeah.
And fluid intelligence, this is all about
It's kind of like,
how you adapt.
like if you walk into a party and you don't know anybody,
Oh, yeah.
can you work the room?
Right. Can you read the situation?
Can you strike up conversations?
Yeah, exactly. Or if you're like trying to put together
Yeah.
like some IKEA furniture
Yeah.
and the instructions are in Swedish.
Right. Or even just like
Oh, yeah.
problem solving in like everyday situations.
Right. And it's not just about being book smart. It's more about like street smart.
Absolutely. It's about thinking on your feet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. And why is this important?
Well, think about it.
Yeah.
Life is full of curveballs.
Oh, yeah. It throws you for a loop.
Exactly.
Like a pop quiz or in a job interview.
where your car breaks down.
Ugh. Or you forget someone's birthday.
Oh, that's the worst.
You need fluid intelligence
You got to think on your feet.
to navigate those situations, right?
Absolutely. And it's not just about getting by
Right.
fluid intelligence. It's a key ingredient in innovation.
Really?
Think about the people who come up with groundbreaking ideas or solve those really complex problems.
Okay, yeah.
They're using their fluid intelligence to see things differently.
To connect the dots in a new way.
Exactly. And, you don't have to be like a CEO or an inventor to benefit from this.
Right? Everyone can.
In your own life,
Yeah.
whether it's that Sudoku puzzle or figuring out a tech issue,
Yeah.
fluid intelligence helps you get there.
So how can we get better at this?
That's the million-dollar question.
Right, because we're not just stuck with what we're born with, are we?
Not at all.
Okay, good.
It's like a muscle, you can train it.
So what kind of brain workout are we talking about?
Well, there are all sorts of things you can do.
Okay.
But the key is to challenge your brain.
Keep it guessing.
Keep it on its toes. Exactly.
Yeah.
So learning a new language, that's a great one.
Okay.
Because it's not just about memorizing words. It's about understanding grammar.
The structure.
Sentence structure.
Different sounds.
Yeah, you're constantly working your brain.
Yeah.
And then there's playing a musical instrument.
Oh, yeah.
That's another great one.
I've heard that's like a full brain workout.
It is because you're coordinating your physical actions with the music you're reading, with
Wow.
the sounds you're hearing.
Really?
Yeah, it's a lot going on.
Okay, and I like that
Mm-hmm.
because I play a little bit of guitar
Oh, cool.
and it's a lot to keep track of.
It is.
And then, of course, there's puzzles,
Oh, yeah.
crossword, Sudoku.
Logic games, all that good stuff.
Right.
Because those force you to think strategically.
Right.
Come up with problem-solving strategies.
And those skills,
They translate to real life.
they do.
Absolutely.
So it's kind of like cross-training for your mind.
I love that analogy.
You know, you
Yeah.
work out different parts.
Different muscles.
Right. And it makes you more well-rounded.
Exactly. And the best part is
Yeah.
there are so many ways to do this.
So,
It doesn't have to be like these big formal things.
right.
Even just like
Yeah.
taking a different route to work
Oh, yeah.
or trying a new recipe.
Or brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand.
Oh, that's a good one. I like that.
Right. Just something to shake things up.
Anything to get you out of your routine.
Right. Because that's what our brains crave.
Right? They do. They crave novelty. They crave challenge.
So this has been really fascinating
It has.
because fluid intelligence is more than just a concept.
Right.
It's like a skill set.
A superpower.
Yeah, that we can develop.
And refine. Absolutely.
And so as we go about our week,
yes.
what's one new challenge you can think of?
What's one thing you can do to push yourself?
Right. To get out of your comfort zone.
That's the key right there,
Yeah.
because that's where the growth happens.
That's where the magic happens.
Absolutely.
So thanks for this deep dive.
My pleasure.
This has been really insightful.
I'm glad we could do this.
Stay connected. Skills, solutions, stories, surprises.